Hello YouTube. Have you ever had an issue with your speedometer in any boat basically, but I'm gonna show you about the Volvo Penta steer drive, where it's located, and I almost guarantee this is going to be the issue you're having because there's not a lot that can go wrong. This is really the common failure point of this steer drive. So let me get straight to it. I'm looking at Stingray 2008. It has, like I just mentioned, hard to say, it's a Volvo Penta steer drive. There is a reason why it's strapped out right now. You can just follow me for the other videos I have and what I'm working on at the moment. As you can see, also this piston is unconnected. Well, this is another issue, but let me get to the major problem that this boat have. Let's see if I can get a view here. So let me show you the location. Right here, behind this cylinder, there is a plastic part that actually picks up water pressure and sends the water pressure through a line into a sensor that is located inside of the boat, and that's what gives you the read of the issue here. So right there, that's the plastic part I'm talking about. Let me get a close-up view. I'm sorry for the shaking hands here, it's 2x, but that's the plastic part. So I'm going to go on this angle right here. Well, can't fit my phone here. So this, as you can see, there's a little hole right here. It used to have a longer piece right here, where one of these hoses here, which is not a cable, this is a hose that carries water, was connected to. So what happens is the water pressure, it's picked up by this little hole. Oops, right here, hard to see. There is a little hole right here, This little hole picks up the water. The water travels inside of this stir. It gets to that connector. That connector sends the water pressure to the gauge, and that's what measures the velocity or the speed of the boat, okay? So many times, one of the very common issue as well, you're driving through a shallow water, and then you may hit some sand. This can get all gummed up and blocked. So you want to have a little wire and buck through until you can release the water or the sand, whatever is blocking this. But if this is not the issue, then second most common issue is going to be this plastic piece to be broken, and then that hose, which is in the other side, I have it right here just for placing holder right here. So this connects right here. Well, it connects if you turn this to this side. This one just connects right there, right there. And once it's connected, it works. And this little hose here drives all the way back into the boat. Again, there is a sensor that picks up the signal, and that's how you get your speed. So hope that this helped you. This is the first two things I would verify before doing any other analysis. The sensor, it's really hard to get to not work. It's most likely gonna be the signal, which in this case is reflected by the water pressure. So I hope that this video has helped you somehow to figure out what's going on. I could not find the part number of that little plastic part, so I would purchase and replace. I'm struggling on finding that for this particular steer drive. Again, Volvo Penta. I'll have to do my research and replace that part, and I guarantee it's going to work, okay? So hope that this video has helped you again. Consider subscribing, drop a like or a dislike, add comments or questions, and I'll try to get back with some updates on this on a later date. Thank you all. Have a great day. Bye.